Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain some important concepts of macroeconomics. Before starting the chapter national income and related aggregates, we must have to know some important concepts of macroeconomics. First of all, let us understand stock and flow. Stock refers to a quantity of a commodity measured at a point of time. In macroeconomics, money supply, unemployment level, foreign exchange reserves, capital, etc. are examples of stock variables. Flow variables are measured over a period of time. National income, imports, exports, consumption, production, investment, etc. are the examples of flow variables. Stock and flow variables are generally used in the calculation of national income. There are different such variables which are used while calculating national income. So we have to understand. Now first let us understand what is stock. Stock means a quantity measured at a specific point of time. For instance, value of savings on 1st March 2020 is 2 lakh rupees. Flow on the other hand measures a certain economic variable over a period of time. Say for example interest payment. Now interest payment is calculated over a period of time. So that's why it is a flow variable. For instance, interest payment for a certain company during the period of 1 year, say for example 2020. So that is nothing but the flow variable. Consumption of fixed capital. There are two types of capital: fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital are those capital or asset upon which investment remains fixed for a certain period of time, for a long period of time, say for example 15-20 years. Working capital on the other hand are those capitals upon which we have to invest again and again, say for example raw material. We have to change, we have to vary, we have to purchase the raw materials again and again depending upon how much commodity, how much quantity is produced. But fixed capitals are those capitals upon which investment remain fixed. Say for example machinery, machines, tools, building, etc. are the fixed capital or fixed asset, because we need not have to buy machines again and again. Once a machine is purchased, then we need not have to purchase another machine, at least within a short period of time. For a farmer, tractor is an example of fixed capital. If a farmer purchases one fixed capital, a tractor, that will continue for a longer period of time, and with that tractor he will continue his production process. However, he has to do some maintenance. Normal wear and tear will be there. We have to bear the maintenance cost. So these maintenance costs are nothing but the consumption of fixed capital. If we use fixed capital, we have to bear that expense. Then foreseen obsolescence or the expected loss of value. Loss in the value of fixed assets either due to changes in the demand for goods and services or due to change in the technique of production. So there is a loss of value. Loss of value is there for everything, for every machines and equipments. Once we purchase after 10 years or 15 years, the value of that fixed asset will be reduced because of the continuous usage or due to the changes in the technique of production or changes in the demand for that particular fixed asset. Next, let us understand different types of goods. First let us understand consumption goods and intermediate goods. Consumption goods are those goods which are used in our day-to-day life, which are used for the final consumers. Such goods are out of the manufacturing unit, production boundary. Intermediate goods are those goods which are used further in the production process. They are not out of the production boundary. Goods which are used within the production boundary are referred to as the intermediate goods. Consumption goods, examples, there are so many things, so many goods that we use in our day-to-day life: cloth, food, meal, car, etc. So these are the consumption goods. Intermediate goods like electronic parts, plastics, etc., etc. There are so many such type of goods which are used further in the production process, and that are known as intermediate goods. Thank you. In our next video, I'll cover national income accounting. Thank you. Have a nice day.